Annapolis is seeing more inventory on the market, so are buyers buying? It's Friday, April 10th, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Overall, the buyer demand in Anne Arundel County is measured as slow on the home demand index, and Annapolis is coming in at the lowest rating on the scale as limited. It's also taking a little longer to go to contract than recent reports, but the prices remain stable. Active inventory rose 10.6% this week to 208 units for sale, falling 2% to a median $669,000 list price. These have been listed for 31 median days. 37 units will be coming soon, falling 5.5% to a median list price of $658,900. 30 properties went under contract this past week at 13 days, worsening 2.6%, but the list price at time of contract is 0.6% higher at $592,500. 30 properties sold at 99.4%. And the median sold price was $637,500 and selling in 10 days. 36 rental properties are for lease, falling 4.7% to $2,675 and listed for 35 days. Got questions? Give me a call and let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, April 10th, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.